Hi everyone. Hi Praveen. Uh, I want you guys to know that due to some technical issue, we are rescheduling the session at today 10 p.m. and thank you guys for waiting. Hi Akis. Hi नमस्कार भाई कैसे हो? और गाइज आप बताओ. Hi सुभाष. Oh guys, are you college student or pass out? I think it would be very useful for me if I know that because I'm gonna build set up a LinkedIn profile from a scratch to end. So can you guys tell me about yourself in the comment? Hi Swam. Hi guys. Guys, you are not comment chatting in live. Kindly comment in live so that I can have an effective interaction with you. So we will start the session just at 10:05. So let other people come. Can you write in comment that am I audible and visual clearly? Yeah, Suhas, that's the problem we are going to tackle in this session. We will build a profile from a scratch, like building a banner, building a profile picture, and building a highlight section, feature section, and everything we will do from a scratch to end. Just be in the session for an hour. They will do everything. Hi, Josie. Oh, I think everything is fine. So we have few minutes left. So guys, uh, have you ever thought like why do we need a LinkedIn profile and why it is so important? Uh, as we are going to start the session at 10:05, so before that, let's talk about something LinkedIn and why it is so important. Let me tell you one thing, one the most important fact. Yes, yours was a beacon review, but not in this session. We will build a complete profile in this session, and you can judge your profile from there. So, can you tell me one thing that uh, if anyone wants to hire someone, here he would be looking for the skilled people, and if you want to get in touch with any professional, like any people working at any companies or any founder or anyone who is at your dream company or doing your dream job. So if you want to get in touch with them, how you will do that? What are the place? Hi Ganesh, nice to see you again. Yeah, Praveen. So LinkedIn play the most important role in this field, like connecting you from your employer, from the HR, from the founder, from the company. LinkedIn act as an intermediary platform, and in so that you have to build a great LinkedIn presence so that anyone whenever he or she visit your profile, he will notice you, what you know, and how you do your stuff, and how you can help them to grow their company, so that they can hire you. That's the main reason of building LinkedIn profile. So, guys, are you have you liked the session? Only 4 likes, man. What are you doing, guys? You are approx 9 to 10 people watching a stream right now, and only 4 session, 4 like is there. What we want from you guys? We just want like and comment, just, and that's the reason we want to provide everything free, just for your one like and for one comment. Can you do that, man? Okay, what's the time left? We still have 4 minutes. If you want to ask, guys, if you are interested in asking any other question related to LinkedIn, like anything, whatever you are having doubt, you can just ask to me in the chat. I will reply because we have 5 minutes left, so we can have a chit chat. So I'm waiting for your question in chat. I think most of the people haven't joined the session. Yeah, yeah, sure. Let me give you my LinkedIn profile. But my LinkedIn profile is little bit business oriented, so don't think it is job oriented. Okay, let me give you. Uh, Mr. Engineer is your LinkedIn course free. So LinkedIn, there is a LinkedIn platform from LinkedIn, and that is not free. When you have premium, then it is free. But if you don't have premium, it is not free. Let me tell you one secret how to access LinkedIn course. Like at LinkedIn platform, there are multiple LinkedIn course which is just so much valuable. You can access and get certificate from that there also. I will tell you in the session how you can do that. Okay. So okay, so you are on learning part. I think you are learning any technology like web development, app development, or anything Java development, whatever you are interested. So, are you learning any technology or something else? Okay, guys, tell me in chats, my screen is visual or not. Okay, data science. So you so you have completed 60% and 40% is left. So if you are not confident about cracking those, so you can do one thing. You can just start figuring out whom to apply when it goes to when you complete 80%, at least 80%, 70%, or when you are confident. So right now, just start identifying companies, roles, or wherever you want to work and wherever you want to be in touch with, just figure out, make the list, and keep it with yourself. Whenever you are confident and you think I should move further, then you should use those list and send the request to those people, and start building your network. And from now, whenever your course is completed, then just apply, start applying. Okay, here is my LinkedIn profile. You can see it's a little bit business oriented, so don't focus on job oriented. Hmm. But I will. help you making for job oriented? Oh, thank you, Suhas. It's visual. So let's start by making. Okay, guys. Not lots of people have joined this session, so uh, whoever will watching this session later on, so keep watching this session at least 1.5x and watch from a start to end so that if you don't miss anything. This message is not for people attending the live session. This message is for people who is not attending the live session and will attend the session later on. Okay, don't worry about that. And there is lots of things you can start from online. There is no need to just go to other city. Start building your network online first and later on visit the people say if you are comfortable. There are actually for job search, we will take one more session for job search in which we will share you the advanced job filter, job applying, job related everything like advanced techniques to get your LinkedIn shortlisted, advanced techniques to apply your apply to the roles because whenever you see a job at LinkedIn, you see lots of application is already applied. Like see, uh, mm, कितने implies if you go to any job now, there 40 applicants have applied for this session, and for major things, there are multiple applicants applying, and how you can stand out. We will take one more session and we'll discuss everything about that in that session. So don't worry about that. You are welcome, Akes. Okay, guys. So let's start. I think my screen is visible to you all. So let's do it. Mm, so- Okay, guys. So here is one more account I have created to so that I will create this account from a scratch to end. This is also my account. I have just created for a sample to show you all. So let me tell you, this is a profile picture. This is not looking so good, but the main motive behind showing this profile picture is that 80% of my face is visual, and if you have any profile picture in like a suit or tie or like professional looking profile picture, then you have to zoom your picture at least this, and after that keep a solid background like black, white, orange, green, whatever you like, you can keep it at background and build a profile picture like this and upload it here. Okay, for banner, I have made my banner already, so I will tell you. Let me apply upload. Okay. Oh, sorry, image exceeds size. Let me reduce the image size. Good. Image size is now compatible. So let's upload. Guys, keep you saying in live chat whatever you want to say. Just keep interaction, guys. Oh, where it was. Okay, great. Okay, it's great. Looking good, right? It's simple and good. So what you have to keep on your banner? Your name first, then after your role, what you do. Suppose I'm a application developer, Android developer. So I wrote here application development. Okay, so you have to mention your role, what you do, like a sales expert or a web developer, a Java developer or data science expert, whatever you are, your role, just mention here. Okay, and after that, your contact details. That is your email id, the most important thing. Whenever if anyone want to contact with you, he will contact through the email, so mention your email id too. After that, you have one more thing, that is and highlight section. This is, so go to here. Now name, if you have additional name, so you can add here your pronouns. If you want to set she, her, him, they, custom, whatever you can set, but I don't want to set, so I will leave it empty. Okay, to write your headline, here premium is given, but we need to buy for that, so leave it. And I will tell you one more secret how to write this. So let me tell you how. uh, in last session, the first session I have taken about LinkedIn, I gave you this. This is the prompt you can use through the AI and create your headlines and summary and everything you need to paste on your LinkedIn. So here is the actual things in this session. The prompt. I will share this prompt again in the description. You can download it from there, and you can just copy this prompt and paste it in the, like suppose I am copying this. Let me show you how. I will copy this prompt and let's go to AI. I'll look, here is, so let's create a new one. I am pasting this. Okay, if I anything on, okay, actually I don't remember where I kept my resume, so okay, don't worry about that. So but let me find my resume. You can upload here your resume. Just give me 1 minute, I will do that. Okay, here is, this is my resume. This is not updated one, so you will up you need to upload your resume, updated resume. So always upload your resume which is latest and updated. And okay, good. So he gave me a headline. At least I have now what to write in the headline. So let's say, mm, headline consists of three portions. First is what you do. First one is what you do and how you can help others, and what prior experience you had. Like if I am working on any project, or I any experience, like if I have worked with Infosys or Wipro, so I will mention at first ex Wipro employee, ex Wipro engineer, anything so, like that. And after that I will show my skill, and after that I will show my sorry, after that I will show my value, how I can help them with my skill. Okay, let me show you how. Okay, so here it's my profile. Let me tell you how it's. So here, this section is achievement, and this section is achievement and what I did in past. Okay, and after I have written, and as I have told you, there are three portion in headline. One is showing your past or achievement. in one line, one word, two word, three word, whatever you are compatible. And after that, you can say the second part, second portion should be your headline. That is how you can help anyone or your skill. So I have written here my value, how I can help anyone. So I am a technology consultant, so I can helping businesses to transform offline to online models. So this is my value I provide to clients and the companies B2B. I work B2B, so I provide this value to the company. So don't go for this spelling mistake. I have it's intentional so that people who is watching my profile can notice and he will start invest spending more and more time so that he can see why he has written like this. And after that, if he when I have shown my value, what I can do for them, and after that I will show what a skill I do have and how. So let's say here entrepreneurship, it's one of the skills. And after that, who am I? LinkedIn expert, prompt engineer, personal brand expert, Android developer, and last one is call to action. Let's connect. Okay, so you if you click here, you can get one another page. So I'm not going there. You can connect. All right. So let's create a highlight section. So let's create a highlight section. Okay, let me say to this. Uh, I am also a expert in Android development and also expert in LinkedIn branding, the prompt engineering and technology transformation consultant. So consider this information and create a high eye-catching eye-catching headline for my, I think it's visual, for my LinkedIn. So here I got this is, at least I got a good one. So let's add it here. Tech innovator, Android developer, LinkedIn branding expert, empowering a student through digital learning and technology transformation. Let's keep it as it is. And so here I have already written like tech innovator, Android developer, LinkedIn expert. My skill I have shown since I am assuming that I haven't worked prior with any things. So I am a beginner and I'm creating this profile as a beginner. So I will list all my technology skills here, like top skills, not a basic skills, such as if I am compatible with C plus, Go language, Python, Java. So I will not mention that. I will mention that I am a if I know Java, so I will mention that I am a Java developer. If I know Kotlin, so and I Kotlin and Android Studio, so I will not mention that I know that Kotlin and Android Studio. I will mention I am an Android developer. It means you will mention your complete role as a skill in your headline. Okay. So after that, I will mention here helping businesses to transform from offline to online model. Okay, this is call to action. Sorry, this is value what I used to provide and what I used to show to the companies and people who is visiting my profile. So the motive behind this is Why anyone want to work with me? Just by seeing my skill? No, man. Anyone can write those skills and claim that I'm expert. So you just have to craft a line and say how you can help anyone with those skills you have. Okay. After that, I will write a call to action. Let's connect. Done. Headline done. Okay. So here it is my current position. I will add mm, Android developer, employment type, part time I am doing. Yeah, you can choose whatever you want, like freelance, internships, anything. If he according to your compatibility. Let's I'm choosing self employed. Let's choose part time. Just leave it. Company na. Okay, next in vision I am putting. So here it's my company only, so I have put it here. Location Delhi. Location type, or let's put hybrid. A start month, whatever you are. I'm just writing, for example, I'm assuming that I'm already working this company and I'm still working. So I will tick mark this. If you don't tick mark, you have to write your end session, like when you leave this company. Uh, After that, you can also mention industry. So mm, let's mention media and software development. Okay, media and sorry, it's software development. Okay, guys. So I let's mention some description. Let's come to AI. Okay, let's. I'm Android developer part time. So right here, I am a Android developer and I worked for a company next in vision, and I want to add it on my LinkedIn. I work as a part-time part-time on mode, hybrid working. I have learned a lot of skills related to Android development. You will mention all everything, so whatever you have been in that company or anything. So any culture. Let's mm, I have learned related to Android development, like advanced development and everything related to Android development with team. So I want you to write down a short and engaging description for adding to my LinkedIn. Okay, so here we got a short description. Great. So let's copy it and don't write the description in paragraph format. Write at least in point wise form so that it feels genuine and it feels good. And you can edit this message as per your experience. And if it is anything extra, you can remove. And if anything left, you can add. Because I'm using AI just because to get everything as structured as soon as possible. Since you want to write from a scratch to end from yourself, it will take lots of effort and time and lots of like tension. So let's do it with AI. Why don't we use that? And let me just, who am I? Profile at headline. I can remove this. You can write here whatever you want, like x at the rate. Let me write Wipro. Okay, skills. Let's add a skill. Mobile development, PHP, Cake, PHP, Java. I'm adding just to show you. So let's add a skill. If you want to add some extra, you can type here like web development, React Native, React JS add. Okay, so good. If you have any media related to this or any link that showcase and give a proof, it will be very valuable. And if you don't have this, don't worry. Let's add as media. What should I add? Let me see anything. Okay, let's add this. So let's write working and sample. You can add anything. Say in this, it doesn't matter a lot, but keep adding as much information you can, because I will tell you one more thing about LinkedIn algorithm, how it works. Okay, so here it is. uh, oh, skills. Okay, what happened? We recommend adding 5 user skill in this role. Let's add project management, add Android Studio, Java, Core Java, Kotlin. You can add as much as, but you need to add at least top 5. So let's done this. Okay, and in after clicking on next, you can share this on your profile. So I am not sharing right now. Did you find this job on LinkedIn? It's for LinkedIn. So company site. Okay, so I have written this. All right. Let's add a headline, and I think headline is removed that we have added. Let me add it again. Okay, let me add this because we need to write. Mm, okay, let's add. I've added this contact information, phone number. Okay, this is the one most important thing. I will tell you how to edit this. So this is email ID. You will add your contact information, phone, and everything. If you have any website or anything where you want to add, where you want to redirect people from your LinkedIn, you can add here and add a messaging button. It's no need, so remove this. Just add your website or anything, but keep adding so people can visit and be in contact with you. Let's save this. Okay, I don't want to try premium. Okay, let's edit this. Why this is so important? LinkedIn URL work as a website URL. So when people search about you on LinkedIn, your name works as a URL. So keep custom URL. where it is. This is, look, when you click this edit pencil button, so after clicking this, you will redirect to one more website, that is this. And after clicking this, you can, let me jump. Just add a custom URL, right? Like I am adding my name, Anand Singh. Done. Okay, sorry guys, this URL already I have taken. Let add 07. Let's see it is available or not. This is also not available. 0766. Okay, this is available. Having custom URL will help you a lot. Okay, so let's refresh. Here it is my custom URL. I'm able to see this. Okay, now this is the most important section. Open to work. Kindly add this section because this section is so important and it will say your employer that whether you are interested in this role or not. I'm actively looking for full time, part time, contract, internship, pick everything. Visibility, just set all LinkedIn members so that everyone can see your profile. Update setting, email updates, update setting. Okay, great. So what you have to, okay, I haven't said you this. Let's say job titles, add your role. As I have written, software engineer, Android developer, and web developer, chief executive officer, designer. So I'm interested in this type of role. You will add your role here. Okay, and which type of location I am interested, like on site or hybrid or remote. On site is like going to in office and working there. Hybrid is like both remote and work from home, and on site also. And remote is like you will not go to the company office and you will work from your home only. Location where you are interested. On site, on site I am interested India, England, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany. So if you are looking for job in India, so you will add here like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, NCR, Gurgaon, whatever you are interested. Location remotely, you just add foreign location remotely, and don't miss Indian location few, but add at least foreign location because remotely you can work here, man. That is not the issue. Start just right here immediately because as a student you don't have to go for notice period and everything. So just act immediately. I am actively applying. Okay, employment time, just add all these, all. Don't go for only full time or part time. Just add all these because as a student, if you are a web developer and you get a full time job, that's good, very nice. If you don't get a mm, mm, web development job and someone wants to hire you for with a contract like a 2 month 3 month contract, just you can take a chance if you have time. Okay, so just add this. Okay, let's come to other section. The most important section, of there are four most or five most important section on LinkedIn. We will talk just about that, but we will not do everything. The most important section by I have talked already three section. That is, one is background, which will help you, which will help you to show your information to the people directly. Okay, I think it is looking quite good. Second is your profile picture and this badge. Okay, so that you are open to work and your profile picture looks should look good. And third is your headline. Headline should consist of three things. First is if you have past experience, you will add that. After that, you will add your skill, second portion, and after that, you will add your value. How you can help with help someone with those skills you have. Okay. After that, Let's come to the third most section. The third most thing matter on LinkedIn is your summary section, the most and important section of LinkedIn ever. Because if anyone got interested to know about you, he will try to read your summary. Why? Because from summary he will able to know what you know, how you know, where you studied, where you have bugged, and what type of project you have bugged on. So at least 200 to 250 words you have to summarize your whole experience. Okay, LinkedIn already mentioned this. Member who includes summary receives up to 3.9 times as many profile views. So, and now you have to add a summary on your LinkedIn. So don't add in paragraph form. Add in point wise, tabular, and some emojis. So that attracts a lot. So let's add a summary. Okay, here you can write at least minimum. I will recommend at write minimum 200 words. It is not word. Don't go for that. This is characters. So let's use AI for that also. And here we have some prompt for summary. Okay, this is prompt. This will give you an idea what you write. Go to this Claude AI, upload your, oh, where it is again. I need to find my, yeah, I found it. Okay, paste. What's it? Yeah, what is the problem? Okay, so it is saying same attachment. So let's take new chat and re-add this. Okay, let's get an idea. This I will read your. Okay, I have added in only 150 word. Let me rewrite in at least 250. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, now add more thing like as I have said, try to get in point five for not a paragraph. Okay, great response, but I want you to create in point five as well as a introduction short paragraph. Okay, so here it is. Great. Now this is the most looking beautiful. It's looking quite good. Okay. So key skill and experience. So let's copy this and paste somewhere so that we can't lose. Let's remove this and let's try something else also. One more retry. Let's see what it give to us. Point wise summary. Great. Great. Okay. Add this at least we will have everything. Okay, so I have added this, but this is not a great in great summary, but it can contains all the keywords. Okay, so let me tell you how LinkedIn algorithm works. LinkedIn algorithm works same as YouTube and Google algorithm work. LinkedIn algorithm work like on keyword searching. So in your summary, in your highlight section, in your experience section, in your project section, in your any internship, any things you are going to add on LinkedIn, if you don't add description, if you don't add details, lots of details about that project or that service or that thing which you have added on LinkedIn profile. So if you don't add, then no one is gonna know, because LinkedIn will never promote your profile, because LinkedIn algorithm will never able to know that you carry this experience, because LinkedIn algorithm filter keyword. Like since someone will try to find video editor, graphic designer. So here see, look, graphic designer, designing, video production, driving digital growth. These are the keywords. So okay, let me tell you more things about keyword. Let's create more keyword oriented this. Let's come to, okay, I want you to rewrite this and write in keyword oriented. Okay, now it's keyword oriented. So I will copy this, paste into directly summary section. Here it is. So here it is. Let me save. We still have 400 letters left. It's enough. Okay. Now my award section is good. Oh, I missed it. Yes. Summary. Quite good. A skill. Now I should have the skill engineering analytics. Startup. Design. You can add top 5 skills about yourself, like web development, app development, data scientist, anything you are interested. Done. So top 5 skill I have listed. Let's don't forget to turn on your creator mode, because it will show analytics of your profile to you. Let's turn on in. Okay, go to my profile. After having creator mode on, now you can see how many people visited on your profile and how much content you have posted and how your content performed. Let's go to analytics. Let's see. This is the, okay, let me show you this. Let me show you in my profile, original profile. Here is my original profile. Here it comes. So let's refresh. Oh, it's my original profile. And let's see. 322 people visited in last 7 days, and 23,943 post impression and 75 search appearance I have. Okay, so post impression is 16% less in last 7 days, and follower 1.4. You can see your engagement here, so that you can analyze your profile, how your profile is performing, and how you can improve more. So let's see how you can do this. You can see here which post you are performing in last week the most. If you want to see your whole 1 year, so you can see here also. I have something, and which one performed well, you can see here, and you can see your follower in past, and who is your follower. So this is the most important I wanted to show you, because as a job seeker, if I am web developer, so I'm connecting to people, and people in my followers are also having a role in their company and their life. And who are they? Who used to visit my profile a lot? Let's see. Mostly 8.2% are software engineer, 4% founder, 1.9% co-founder, web developer less than 1%, CEO less than 1%. So if you are a software engineer and people's visiting your profile are let's salesman. So is your profile worth? No. So connecting to the peoples like HR, people working at your dream company, software engineer, dream role, and you will able to see here who is visiting your profile. So let's come. We have very less time left. Okay, let's go to this. Let's okay, activity, creating post, my network, my activity, my demographic information. You can add this. That doesn't matter a lot, so leave it for now. You will be adding this by yourself. Let's add a project, and one one more thing I wanted to show you, that featured section how it works. So let's write testing and live. Let's write here subscribe to Let's Code by Anand Singh. And after that, let me add one more image. Let's add this image and keep adding alt text on your image like this one. So why to add this? When you post your certificate, post anything, your achievement on your LinkedIn, this matters a lot because this define what contains in your picture. Like if you added a certificate and you haven't told the LinkedIn algorithm that what type of image is this and what type of certificate is this. If you add a alt text, then you are, it means you are saying your the LinkedIn algorithm that which type of image is this and what it contains, which type of your achievement it contains. So let's add this is a sample, a boy studying at table. So added, and let's post it. Great. So okay, let me refresh. I'm not able to see. Post. Okay, see. If any of your post work very well, then you can add this to your feature section. Where it is. Okay, so I have added this to feature section. Where it gone? Okay, so here is the feature section, and add try to add few most important things on your feature section, like your most important achievement that you have posted on LinkedIn, the most advanced project you have made, the most important project you have worked on, or the most important things you wanted to show to your employer or any people's visiting your profile, like your resume, your website, personal portfolio, anything that you have. So just add in featured section. Add a post, add an article, add a link, add a media, whatever you wanted to add, just add. Let's say add a article. So I don't have an article, so I can't add. Let's add a media. So let's add this. Let's describe anything, and it will take few minutes to load. Okay, I think it is taking a lot of time. So you got my point. You can add whatever you want here. Award section is our complete experience section. You should have at least one experience section, and that is the most important thing. So in experience section, don't forget to describe the experience in most detailed way with keyword oriented, so that if anyone searches on LinkedIn about that keyword, your profile will appear there. So let's see here how it is. Description. This is description. This is a skill I have in this experience. This is time and deadlines. Okay, so if you want to add one more experience, you can add career break. If you have any career break, you can add position, what you are currently working or anything. So here is education section. Okay, guys, we are doing lots of continuously we are going. So can you ask your queries in chat section? I have lot. I missed your section, man. Let's see if you have any queries. So guys, if you are watching this session later on, and then comment your queries in the comment below, and we will answer your queries as soon as possible in the comment. We will reply. So don't worry about that. And at education section, you can add description too. Here is the description and activities. You can add this too, so that everyone get to know what you have done, what you have learnt in your college, what you have learnt in the school, and how. Add skills, add media, and save it. Just done. Okay, so you are done with basic things. So these are the basic section of LinkedIn profile you should have at least. If you don't have, look, I have got two impression right now. I have just added this and got two post impression. Oh, I got 14. So let's summarize this. We have added banner, we have added a profile photo, we have added headlines, we have added summary section, we have added featured section, and we have added description, that is award section, and that is summary, all that is about all about you. So what is the most important section left behind? That is project section. How? Let's add a some project. If you want to add more section to your LinkedIn profile, go to here, like add education, add position, add a service if you are providing any service, if you have any career break, if you want to add a skills, just add here. Recommended section, you have to add this section. This is the most recommended. Like if you miss this, you missed everything. Like I have already shown you feature, just add a license section. If you have any skills and everything, credential URL, credential ID, if you have got any skills, just fill here and save it, you will get. Let I'm not adding any skills here, so I'm just showing you. Add a skill. Recommended section are the most important section you need to add. These are the basic section of LinkedIn profile. And don't forget to add any project. So let's me add a project, like I'm adding online ODC, and I am adding description, like let's I'm adding the previous description. Let's add a skills, development, web. So I've added, let's add some media or profile link. Let's add, I'm adding this and this. Okay, I'm adding this media to show that project, and image description, whatever you want, image title, like boy studying on table. So here you go. Skills, 5 skills at least you have to add. Just add. I adding development. Let's say I'm saying it. Okay, great. I have created a project section. So when you have a skill section, let's talk about a skill section. There is endorsement. So this skill section, LinkedIn, you can add as many as a skill you want, but there is one glitch in this algorithm for LinkedIn. That is, if you add unlimited skills, what do you think? LinkedIn will count that? No. LinkedIn is not gonna count your skills just by adding. LinkedIn just count your skill when you have one endorsement at least. So I will recommend just have a three endorsement on your skills. Just ask your people, ask your friends, ask your family, ask your colleagues you are working with, and just say him to endorse your skills, and you will endorse them in response. So after that, your skill will be visual to LinkedIn algorithm. So let's add one more section, recommended section. Let's come to add course. If you have taken from anywhere, LinkedIn or any uh, Udemy platform, Coursera, Skillshare, anywhere, if you have, you can add. Just go here, a course name, course number, and associated with, like, where did you have learned. Like, course name, let's say DevOps. Course number I'm not adding, just I've added this, I've taken this course. Okay, let's say add more section. Course, add recommendation. If you have any recommendation from people, you can add here. Let's say I'm adding recommendation from my original account, Anansi. mm, it's not it's not actually working right now, so you can add your recommendation. This is you are searching people, so whom you got recommendations, and your recommendation section will be added on your profile, and this gives a proof that you are expert in this field, and you are expert in this skill, or you are expert in this things you have added, whatever you have added on your LinkedIn profile. That's good. So if you have any queries, kindly keep asking in the section, and in the comment, and I think there are not lots of people in the live, so if you are watching later on, just comment below your queries, comment below your question. We will answer the questions later on. Okay, I think almost everything is completed. Um, yeah, everything is completed. So let me tell you one more thing, that is adding content. uh, we almost forget what to add as a content on LinkedIn. So whatever you are learning on daily basis, document it and just post it on LinkedIn on regular basis, so that your LinkedIn visibility can increase. And or you can use AI to document those things, so that you don't need to invest lots of time in this. So let's finish this. Okay, great. Okay, this is, let's summarize this. So what we have added? We have added profile banner, profile picture, headlines, summary section, project section, recommendation sections, experience sections, and these are the most important for having a good LinkedIn. And I will tell you in next session, that is how you can increase your visibility just by creating informative content, and how you can create content. And in next session we will also go for job applying, so how we can filter the best job we can find, and how we can stand out of fraud, because there are multiple people who apply in the uh, who apply for same role, and how to get your profile shortlisted. We will focus on that in the next session. So we are keeping this at last here, and our next session is gonna be about side hustle. So as in college, uh, what are the options we have, or what are the options, and what are the side hustles we should must do side hustles, so we can make money, and may in future we can rely on that side hustle. We don't need to do any jobs, or if any side hustle is related to jobs, in getting jobs, so what are those? In the next session we will talk about that, and the next session is tomorrow only at 9 p.m. So don't forget to join that session. Thank you so much for guys for joining this session, and Let's summarize this and let's take courage if you have any. And since there are not lots of people, so I'm expecting you will, if you are watching later on, so add your courage in the comment below, and so that we can answer all your queries. Let's say, so here it is. This is my profile, and okay, let's where to end this session. Uh, okay, let's see courage. Hello, Soeb. Hello, Aruniti Pro from IIT Kanpur. Anirudh. Oh, hi, Anirudh. Can you review my profile? Oh, yes, Anirudh. So why not send it to me? I will review it. Send it on my LinkedIn, or you can connect me on WhatsApp if you have my number. Atul Kumar, Bhaiya, how I can increase my communication skill? So, increasing communication skill. Okay, I'm also thinking about taking a live session on productivity or personality development, that is personal development. Since I am a expert in that, so I will be helping you guys, and we will take a session on that also, and that will be more engaging session and will on time. So I'm sorry for that because today we got so late. And so Atul, if you are watching this, we will take a session to help you, and people who is lagging behind this in this kind of thing, we will take a live session and will help you guys. Thank you so much. I am ending this live stream now. Thank you so much. And don't forget to join tomorrow for the side hustle session. Let's end this.